I'm Justin from Powersports East, and for September 2021, I'm installing a BrakeAway Cruise Control on my 2008 Triumph Bonneville T100. BrakeAway's been making high-quality cruise control since 2001. Their models cover a variety of handlebar diameters from standard 7/8 up to large cruiser 1 1/4. They're 100% made in America from billet aluminum with a really nice satin finish. The BrakeAway operates by simply pressing a button with your thumb when you reach a desired cruising speed. It does allow you to slightly adjust your position, so if you need to increase or decrease your speed on the highway, it'll allow you to do so. What gives BrakeAway a leg up over the competition though is they have two disengage actions to turn it off. One is simply thumb operated, while the other is operated by the brake lever. This is a great feature if you end up in an emergency situation where you have to grab onto your brake. You don't have to worry about your throttle being locked anymore. Now I'm going to install this on my 08 Bonnie here, which looks very similar to other applications. While this portion is edited for time, this is legitimately my first go at installing one of these. So hopefully novice mechanics out there will realize they should be able to tackle this on their own with a little bit of time and patience. Let's get to it. Oh no.
As you saw, installing the BrakeAway Cruise Control isn't an issue at all. Just allow yourself plenty of time to get that rake set up perfectly so it functions correctly. As you can see, just get out on the road, hit that button, set it, forget it. You obviously want to make sure you keep your hand readily available if you ever have to hit that brake. It's a great piece of equipment. I definitely highly recommend it. I can't wait to take some long rally trips this fall and really utilize a tar out of it. Thanks for watching today, and ride safe out there.